How to transfer money from TD Bank to another bank. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded TD Bank app on a device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Then you can launch the app. You will land to the login page. Now here you have to fill this, provide your credentials of TD Bank account, username and password, and click on login. Once you are logged in, at the top of the screen, you will see the option of send money. You have to click on that option. Then click on Get Started bubble at the bottom of your screen. Now you need to choose whether the transfer is within the country or globally. Enter the country accordingly. Next, select the medium of transfer. Since we are sending it to a bank, tap on the Send to Account option. You will be prompted to fill out a form with account details and the recipient's bank account information. Make sure to enter all the required details accurately. Enter the amount of money you want to send to the recipient's bank. Then select the currency you want to send and receive in. Once you have entered all the details and selected the currency, tap on Send Money. And just like that, your money will be transferred from TD Bank to another bank. And that's it. Transferring money from TD Bank account to another bank account is that simple. If you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.